네, 안녕하세요.
Yes, hello everyone.
네, 어제 말씀 시간에 한번 얘기를 했는데요.
So during the evening, my lecture that we were to speak about this.
네, 제가 어제 얘기 드렸듯이 제가 고3 때 척수염이라는 병에 걸렸습니다.
Inside the third year, inside the last year of high school, I got the disease called myelitis.
그 전에 6개월 전에는 왼쪽 마비가 왔었고요.
And so 6 months before that, my entire left side of my body became paralyzed.
그리고 2009년 6월에는 전신 마비가 왔습니다.
In the year 2006, my entire body was paralyzed.
너무 막막했습니다.
And so my life seemed very, didn't know what to do with my life.
이제 병원에 갔는데 저한테는 평생 못 걷는다고 했어요.
I went to the hospital. They told me for the rest of my life that I would not be able to walk.
그 상황에서 제가 할 수 있는 건 아무것도 없었습니다.
Inside the midst of that, there was nothing that I was able to do.
저는 그때 이제 하나님을 알지 못했고 그때는 자살을 생각했습니다.
During that age, during that time, I did not know of God, and I thought about committing suicide.
평생 누워 살아야 된다는 거에 너무 싫었습니다.
And so, for the fact that I had to be able to lay down for the rest of my life, I really disliked that fact.
근데 제가 옥상에서 뛰어내리고 싶었지만 뛰어내릴 수 없었습니다.
Even though I wanted to be able to jump off the roof, I was not able to.
저는 손가락 하나 움직이지 못하는 사람이었습니다.
Because during that time, I was even a person that could not even move one of my fingers.
그리고 혀를 깨물고 자살하고 싶었지만 혀를 깨물 힘도 없었습니다.
I wanted to be able to bite my tongue and to be able to kill myself this way, but I did not even have strength to be able to bite my own tongue.
자살을 시도한 마지막 끝에 이제 마음에서 절망이 없어졌습니다.
And so, for my last attempt to be able to commit suicide, I had lost all hope inside of my life.
내가 죽을 수 없다면 내가 그러면 살아야겠구나 생각했습니다.
I thought to myself, if I cannot die, then I must live.
근데 평생 누워 살아야 되는 게 그래도 막막한 겁니다.
But then to be able to live my life, and it seemed very vague inside of my life as well.
그때 이제 생각이 하나 났는데 그때 박 목사님이 생각이 났습니다.
That's when I was able to remember the words of Pastor Park.
박옥수 목사님을 만나 뵙고 기도 받으면 내가 걷겠다.
I felt inside my heart, if I'm able to meet with Pastor Park, able to receive a prayer from him, then I will be healed.
그리고 병원에서 퇴원한 지 한 달 만에 목사님을 뵐 수 있었습니다.
And so 1 month after I was hospitalized, I was able to meet with Pastor Park.
이제 목사님께서 얘기해 주셨는데요.
That's when Pastor Park, he was able to speak upon to me.
전기는 전선을 통해서 흐르고 수돗물은 파이프를 통해서 흐른다.
He said electricity goes through electric wires, and also the water flows through the pipes.
네 마음이랑 하나님 마음이랑 연계되기만 하면 하나님이 너한테 일하실 수 있어.
If your heart is just able to connect with the heart of God, that is when God is able to work with inside of your life.
너는 반드시 일어나 걸을 거야.
For sure that you'll be able to get up and rise.
저는 그냥 믿어졌습니다.
I was able to believe that inside of my heart.
저는 누구의 말도 믿을 수 없었습니다.
I was not able to believe inside the voice of anyone else around me.
그런 제 마음에 그 말씀이 믿어졌습니다.
And so inside of my heart, I was able to believe inside those words.
그리고 5개월 후에는 제가 걷고 있었습니다.
And so 5 months after, I was able to start walking.
아기처럼 걷고 있었지만 저는 걸었습니다.
Even though I walked as though just like a young child, but then I was able to still walk.
그리고 2개월이 지났을 때는 제가 정말 기적같이 댄스를 했습니다.
And so 2 months after that, as a miracle, I started to dance.
저희 교회에 계시던 박희지 목사님이랑 약속한 게 있었는데요.
And so from our pastor in our church, Pastor Park Hee-jin, I was able to make a promise with him.
이제 목사님 가시기 전에 댄스를 하는 거였습니다.
And it's before he left that I was able to be able to dance before him.
엘리베이터에서 만난 목사님께서 제가 이제 물었습니다.
And so when I met him in the elevator, I spoke to him.
목사님 가시는데 제가 댄스 할까요?
And so, Pastor, before you leave, I want to be able to show you a dance.
그래 해라 하셨습니다.
And so he said, yeah, sure.
그리고 그날 저녁 저는 댄스를 했습니다.
And so that evening, I was able to dance.
그때 저는 점프도 할 수 없는
And
사람이었습니다.
during that time, I was a person that was not even able to jump.
그리고 그 말을 한 지 몇 시간 안 됐을 때 저는 댄스를 하고 있었습니다.
But then a few hours even after that, I saw myself dancing.
그리고 또 2개월 후에는 이거 월드캠프에 와서 제가 마라톤을 완주했습니다.
And so 2 months after that, I was able to attend the World Camp. I was able to finish the marathon course.
800명 중에 345등을 했습니다.
And so among 800 people, I became in 350th place.
너무 좋았습니다.
And it's really amazing.
근데 그게 끝이 아니었습니다.
But it was not the end there.
저는 10km 가나에 군유스코를 갔다 왔는데요.
And so I was a 10th class News Corps member. I went over to Ghana.
한 달 만에 돌아올 수밖에 없었습니다.
I had to return back after a month.
이제 가나에 도착한 후 제가 피를 토했습니다.
And so when I arrived in Ghana at the airport, I started to vomit blood.
이제 피를 토하는 이유로 한국에 돌아왔습니다.
And so because I started to vomit blood, I had to return back into Korea.
근데 아무 이상이 없다고
But
했습니다.
I went to the hospital and then they told me that there was nothing wrong.
피를 토하지만 저는 믿었습니다.
Even though I threw up blood, I believed inside of my heart.
근데도 제가 계속 피를 토했습니다.
But I saw myself constantly vomiting blood.
6개월 후에는 제가 혼자 이제 병원에 가서 검사를 했는데요.
And so 6 months after that, I went to the hospital by myself to be able to receive checkup.
너무 절망스러운 결과를 들려줬습니다.
I was able to hear the words that were truly of despair.
너는 위암 말기에 6군데 전이가 되었어.
And so inside of your stomach, that there's 6 different places, and you're in the last stage of cancer.
너는 오늘 죽을 수도 있고 언제 죽을지 몰라.
You might even die today. We're not exactly sure when you might die.
길어봤자 7개월을 살 거야.
If long, you'll live 7 months.
그러니까 너는 얼른 입원해서 장례 준비를 하면 좋겠다.
So I think it would be best if you become hospitalized and prepare for your funeral.
이미 넌 너무 늦었어.
And so you're already too late now.
제 마음에 절망이
And so
찾아왔습니다.
that's when despair entered inside of my heart.
제 마음에 죽음이
And so
찾아왔습니다.
death came into my heart.
그렇게 3주를 너무 힘들어했습니다.
And so for the 3 weeks, I felt so much inside difficulties inside of my heart.
근데 3주가 지났을 때 이제 하나님이 생각하게 하시는 겁니다.
After the 3 weeks, I was able to remember about God.
내가 너 척수염에서 걷게 했잖아.
And so before I was able to let you be healed from your disease,
내가 너 살려.
I will be able to let you live.
너무 기뻤습니다.
I was truly happy inside of my heart.
그리고 엄마한테 전화를 했습니다.
And so I called my mother.
엄마 나 병원에서 이제 검사를 했는데 나 죽는데
Mother, I went to the hospital. I received checkup. They told me that I was going to die soon.
위암 말기에 6군데 전이라서 너무 늦었대.
There's the 6 places inside your stomach that has cancer. In your last stage of cancer right now, you're going to die soon.
근데 저희 계모 같은 엄마께서 저한테 얘기하셨습니다.
But my mother is filled, and what she told me was that,
너 그거 아무것도 아니야.
she said, that's nothing.
너 박태진 하나님이 너 살리셨어.
God was able to save you.
너무 평안했습니다.
I was able to be so much peace inside of my heart.
저도 엄마와 함께 같이 웃었습니다.
And so I started to be able to laugh together with my mother.
그리고 그때 확신했습니다.
And so that's when I felt certain inside of my heart.
우리 엄마는 진짜 계모구나.
And so my mother, yes, even though she seems as though she's the bad mother,
딸이 죽는다는데 엄마는 웃었습니다.
and so even though the daughter said to the mother that she's going to die, but she laughed.
그렇게 저희 엄마는 계속 저한테 믿음으로 얘기해 주셨습니다.
And so my mother, she speak to me of faith.
저희 엄마에게도 믿음만 있었던 건 아닙니다.
And so it's not that my mother, she only had faith inside of her heart,
근데 저희에겐 교회가 있었고 목사님이 계셨습니다.
but upon to us that there was a church and also there was God.
교회와 많은 종들께서 이제 엄마에게 믿음을 주셨고,
And so the church and also the servants of God were able to give faith inside the hearts of my parents.
저한테 또 그 믿음을 흘려주셨습니다.
And so that faith was able to flow into my heart as well.
그래갖고 제 마음에서 믿음이 있었습니다.
And so I had faith inside of my heart.
물론 저도 흔들릴 때가
And
많았습니다.
so there's many times when I would shake as well.
그런 형편에서 웃기만 하면 그거는 정신 나간 사람일 겁니다.
And so if you just only laugh in a situation like this, you're a person that is not in your right mind.
근데 하나님의 말씀이 저를 붙들었습니다.
But then the word of God was able to take hold inside of my heart.
그렇게 이제 암을 잊고 지냈습니다.
And so I was able to forget about this cancer and live my life.
몇 개월 후에는 제가 또 기억을 잃었는데요.
And so a few months after that, I lost my conscience.
4살짜리로 돌아갔습니다.
And so I returned back to the age of the mental mind of age 4.
거울을 보고 너 누구야 할 정도로 저를 못 알아봤습니다.
I looked into the mirror and I asked myself, who are you?
진짜 절망스러운
And so
상황이었습니다.
that was a place when I felt so much in despair inside of my heart.
근데 그 상황에서도 제 마음에 말씀이 생각났습니다.
Even inside the midst of that, I was able to remember the words.
이건 재앙이 아니라 소망이다.
It's not of despair, but it's of hope.
저는 정말 행복했습니다.
I was truly happy inside of my heart.
기억이 없고 바보가 됐지만 행복했습니다.
Even though I could not remember anything and I became a fool, but I was truly happy.
그런 상황에서도 제가 월드캠프 참석했고요.
Inside the midst of that, I attended the World Camp.
그때 월드캠프에서 만난 사람들의 이야기를 들으면서 제 기억이 조금씩 돌아오기 시작했습니다.
As I spoke with the people during the World Camp, I was able to recover some of my memory.
그리고 월드캠프가 끝난 지 한 달 만에 이렇게 기억이 조금씩 정말 많이 돌아왔습니다.
And so a month after the World Camp, I was able to receive and recover a lot of my memory back.
근데 기억이 돌아오면서 한 가지 궁금한 겁니다.
As I received my memory, something I was very curious about was one thing.
왜 내 몸이 이렇게 아프지?
Why is my body in so much pain?
제가 병원에 갔습니다.
I went to the hospital.
검사를 했습니다.
I received checkup again.
의사 선생님은 저한테 말했습니다.
And so the doctor, he told me,
너 어떻게 아직까지 살아 있어?
how is it possible you're still alive?
그리고 검사 결과를 말해
And so
주셨습니다.
he told me the results once again.
1년 전에 너가 위암 말기에 6군데 전이었어.
And so inside your body, a year ago, you had 6 places inside your body that had cancer, and you're in the last stage of cancer as well.
지금은 근데 너무 많이 전이가 됐어.
But then it has spread too much across your body now.
근데 이런 상황에서 너가 웃으면서 살아있다는 게 너무 신기해.
But the fact that you're still laughing and for you to be alive, that itself is a miracle.
네 몸에 53가지까지가 이제 전이가 됐어.
And so in 57 different parts of your body, you have cancer now.
저는 순간 믿지 못했습니다.
At that moment, I couldn't believe that fact.
제가 아는 장기 이름이 그만큼 되지가 않거든요.
And so because there's not even a lot of body organ parts that I even know that are up to 57.
근데 그렇게 많은 곳에 전이가 됐다는
But then
겁니다.
they told me that it spread to that many places across my body.
그리고 저한테 의사가 말했습니다.
And so that's when the doctor, they told me,
진짜 희망이 없어. 너 마음에 준비해야 돼.
You really don't have any hope. You need to prepare inside of your heart.
제가 울었을까요?
Do you think I cried?
아닙니다.
No, I did not cry.
저는 웃었습니다.
I started to smile.
그리고 의사에게 제가
And
말했습니다.
I told the doctor,
의사 선생님이 저는 안 죽어요.
Doctor, I'm not going to die.
의사 선생님이 저보다 똑똑하지만 의사 선생님이 저를 죽일 수는 없습니다.
Doctor, even though you might be a lot smarter than me, but I'm not going to die.
저는 하나님을 믿는데요.
I believe in God.
하나님이 저를 살리세요.
God will be able to save me.
그렇게 제가 얘기하고 이제 의사 선생님께서 또 대답하셨습니다.
As I spoke about these things, and also the doctor was able to speak upon to me as well.
아니야, 그래도 너는 죽어.
But still, you're going to die.
근데 그 상황에서 저한테 산다고 하는 사람, 살 수 있다고 하는 사람 없을 겁니다.
During that time period, there's no one that was able to tell me, it's possible that you're able to live.
그 정도로 제 몸에는 희망이 없었습니다.
Because inside my body, I did not even have that much energy.
근데 저는 진짜 말씀을
But
믿었습니다.
then I was able to believe upon towards the word.
2년 전 척수염에서 걷게 하신 하나님도 있고요.
And so there's God that was allowing me to be able to walk after the 2 years.
그리고 그 1년 전 또 암 판정 후에도 제 마음을 지키신 하나님이 생각났습니다.
And so I was able to remember after I received the death sentence a year ago, God was able to look after my body as well.
그리고 또 이제 저를 또 살리실 걸 믿었습니다.
And I believed inside of my heart that God was going to let me live.
그렇게 또 암을 잊고 지냈습니다.
And so I forgot about my cancer and lived my life.
그때는 엄마한테 얘기하지 않았습니다.
And so during that time, I did not tell my mother.
그렇게 작년 3월에까지 이렇게 잊고 지냈는데요.
And so until last year of March, I forgot about these things and lived my life.
이제 3월 중순부터 제 배가 점점 부풀어 오르는 겁니다.
And so that's when my stomach started to expand because of it.
한 보름이 지났을 때는 제 배가 임산부처럼 나왔는데요.
And so a few months after that, my stomach, it seemed as though that I was pregnant and it was the last stage of pregnancy and my stomach was very large.
숨이 차서 병원에 갔습니다.
And so I couldn't breathe and so I went to the hospital.
복수가 찼다고 했습니다.
And so they told me that it was filled.
그리고 정말 마음의 준비를 하라고
And so they
했습니다.
told me to really get prepared.
근데 저는 또 웃었습니다.
But then I smiled once again.
복수가 차도 저는 죽지 않아요.
Even though that might fill up, but I'm still not going to die.
저는 엄마 돌아가신 후에 제가 죽을 거예요.
And so after my mother passes away, I'm going to pass away after that.
그래갖고 제가 또 얘기를 했습니다.
And so I said once again,
저는 입원할 돈도 없고요.
I don't even have money to be able to be hospitalized.
드디어 살았는데 죽을 마음이 없습니다.
And so I was able to live again. I'm not going to die.
저는 이제 걸은 지 3년 됐거든요.
It's been 3 years since I started to walk again.
그렇게 얘기하고 저는 이제 병원을 나왔습니다.
I told them these words and I came out from the hospital.
그리고 또 의사가 또 말을 했습니다.
And so they told me once again.
3개월 이상은 빼기 어려울 거야.
And so for 3 months, it became very difficult.
근데 저는 1년 2개월을 뺐습니다.
But then I was able to spend the time of 1 year and a half.
그리고 작년 이맘때 월드 캠프 때인데요.
And so last year around this time during the World Camp,
93%까지 퍼졌던 암이 72%로 줄었다는 결과였습니다.
and so for the cancer that spread 98% of my body, it decreased to 70%.
너무
I
감사했습니다.
was very thankful inside of my heart.
그리고 작년 12월에는 암이 23%까지 줄었다는 결과였습니다.
And so in the end of last year, it said that it decreased to 23% of my body.
위로 시작한 암이 위부터 줄었다는 겁니다.
And so it started from my stomach, but it decreased from my stomach.
그리고 작년 그 12월에는 팔다리와 머리를 제외하고는 암이 없다고 했습니다.
And so disregarding your limbs and also your head, regarding these places that you don't have any more cancer.
그리고 이제 올해 5월 9일에는 또 다른 결과를 들었습니다.
And so this year in the month of March, in March 7th, I was able to hear a new result.
그때는 암을 앓은 흔적은 있지만 암이 없다고 했습니다.
They said even though there was remains that shows that you had cancer, but you don't have any cancer.
저는 믿습니다.
And I truly believe inside of my heart.
제가 한 건 아무것도
But
없었습니다.
there's nothing that I have done.
하나님이 제 병을 고쳐주셨습니다.
God was able to heal me from my disease.
제가 믿을 수 있었던 건 말씀밖에
The
없었습니다.
only thing that I was able to believe of was upon the word.
근데 말씀만 믿었을 때 하나님이 일하시는 걸 봤습니다.
But when I believed only upon towards the word, I saw that God was working.
이제 여기 많은 분들이 앉아 계신데요.
And so there are many people that are sitting here.
저처럼 병으로 고통스러워할 수도 있고,
Yes, you might be inside of pain because of your disease.
여러 다른 문제로 고통스러워하시는 분들이 계실 겁니다.
Or there might be people that are going through suffer because of the things inside their lives.
근데 저는 죽을 수밖에 없었던 사람입니다.
I was a person that couldn't help but to die.
그런 저도 하나님이
But
살리셨습니다.
then God even saved a person like me.
하나님이 여러분의 모든 문제를 해결해 주실 겁니다.
God will be able to solve all of your problems.
여러분 마음에 하나님을 만나면 여러분도 정말 행복한 사람이 될 겁니다.
Inside of your life, if you're to meet with God, you'll be truly happy people.
감사합니다.
Yes, thank you very much.